Hey guys, welcome to question FM308 of the Further Maths Fortify study guide. This question reads, a box of cardboard without a lid is constructed with a base length of 6.3 centimeters, width of 5.9 centimeters, and a height of 4.2 centimeters. And then we're shown this diagram here. The surface area of the outside of this box in square centimeters is closest to what? So in order to answer this question, we're going to need to find the total surface area of this rectangular prism, except for the top. So in order to do that, we're going to need to find the area of the base. What you'll also notice is that we've got two slightly smaller sides. So these ones that will be 5.9 by 4.2. And we've got two larger sides, which are 6.3 by 4.2. So I'm going to put them down as side small, and of course we're going to have two of those. And we're going to have a large side, and of course have another two of those. So the first thing we're going to calculate is the area of the base. So we're going to say that the base is going to be equal to its length times width. So the length and width of the base is going to be 6.3 times 5.9, which if we put that into a calculator, we should get 37.17. Now you could just put these straight into this formula. I'm just showing you them laid out just for a little bit of simplicity, but of course it is up to you. We've got the small side, which is going to be equal to 5.9 times 4.2. So this 5.9 and 4.2. So one of those small sides is going to have an area of 24.78. I should probably whack these into centimeters squared and centimeters squared. And our large side is going to have a length of 6.3 and a width, or a height in this case, of 4.2. Once again, whacking this into your calculator, you should get an answer of 26.46 for the area of one of those large sides. And now we go about plugging it all into the formula. So looking at this formula again, our base 37.17 plus our small side area of 24.78, that's going to be multiplied by 2. We don't need to put brackets in here because of course the multiplication will take place before any of the additions. You can whack brackets in if it helps you to understand what's happening. It won't hurt, they're just not entirely necessary. Then got the large side, 26.46, and this is also being multiplied by 2 for those two sides. Whacking this all into a calculator, you'll get an answer of 139.65 centimeters squared, which when rounded rounds to 140 centimeters squared, which looks very much like option B, our correct answer. If you guys have any questions about this question, please drop them in the comments below. Otherwise, I will see you in the next video.